how to fix this application requires iOS 17 or later. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So guys, when you try to install any app in your iPhone or your iPad, and you will see this type of error again and not be able to install that app, I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you install that app easily and how can you update your iPhone to iOS 17 or later. So guys, first of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this scroll it down, and from here you need to disconnect your VPN if connected, and after this scroll it down, click on screen time, and now you need to click on content and privacy restrictions and you need to turn it off. And after turning it off, you need to go back. The main reason of this problem that you have not updated your device to iOS 17. So guys, simply you need to update your device 17 first. So how can you do this? Need to click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone latest iOS version 17 or later. And if iOS 17 is not showing here, then you need to do the another way is you have to click on open your Safari browser, and here you need to search betaprofiles.dev. You have to search this first one website, that is betaprofile.dev, and now you need to scroll it below, and from here click on developer, and now you need to find here iOS 17 as beta profile. Click on install profile, click on install, and you need to click on allow, and like this you can install iOS 17 in your device. And after this you can easily download and install any app that you want. So that's basically how you can fix this application requires iOS 17 or later. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.